Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am your friendly Vampire Skarlett. Today I'm gonna react to some more Bungo Stray Dogs Season 5, Episode 1. At the end of the last season, Fyodor was still in the lead. We can't seem to get the upper hand on him so far, so I'm excited to get into it and see what else he has in store for us. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let us get straight into it. Peaceful existence. That's Fyodor's version of God, isn't it? But it's not his God a choice. You can't get bored of air. You need that to live. Okay. Hello? What? Oh, it's his coin. Got it. Interesting. He's not going to betray the agency, no chance. See, that's the wrong way to go about asking him. Exactly, precisely, he won't. How so? Oh, you can cut his hands off and then he won't be able to. Okay, that's bad. That's really, really bad. Good luck getting that.
Have some faith, will you?
Sigma is not dead. Also, for some reason, the clown that was cut off during the attack where you were accused is not dead also. Forgot his name. You okay? You don't look so good. Overwork? Maybe? How do you kill her? Don't break. You sadistic. And who are you? A sniper, a random sniper? How are you alive? You were cut in half, Nikolai. That's impressive. So did I. Why is he not dead? Thank you. How did you survive? You are annoying. Tell me. You and your ability. What then? What are you surprised about? And why did you not die? This demon.
He controls everything.
took over your mind as well. You are insane. You are completely and utterly mad. This guy is a problem. It's completely and utterly... Again with his schemes. His schemes are never ending. Don't even think about it. You would... They didn't notice. And you know this how?
Care to elaborate?
So you managed to reach him. I must apologize to you.
I stand corrected.
So he gave you the information directly to your brain. Who are you? Who is that? What? What is going on right now? Kamui. Alright, he's part of the terrorist, so he's gonna make it look like he escaped. Okay. You are delusional.
You don't need to be rude.
I was about to say, just read his mind. You can do that.
You're a perceptive one.
Can we just... That was weird.
You don't say.
If he was going to execute them, why take him at all?
You raise a good point.
How did the car disappear? What? How is that even possible? You're also about to be taken. And gone. He took all of them. How did you... Okay, never mind. Can't even begin to guess what's going on in your minds. They're so casual. This guy.
社員は全員無事だよ。
だが乱歩、お前は事件発生時に撃たれ行方不明と聞いたが。
人質事件が起きた時、敵の陰謀で僕は警察に包囲されていた。あら、ごめんごめん。
He's so smart.
少々借りるよ。
それから何をした？
僕は名探偵だよ。名探偵のすることは常に一つ。
Exactly, solve the crimes.
だから敵の計画を書き換えることにした。混沌ガスを撒いて国キラを無事救出。
You did all that on your own?
与謝野さんの救出はあらかじめ護送車に細工した早めに起爆させた。兵士4人のうち2人が前方を調べに行き、残りの2人が後方を警戒すれば車が視界から
So,
鏡を使い姿を隠して護送車に乗車。あとは走行音の再生を切り静かに脇道へと走り去る。
this kid.
これが与謝野さん救出のトリック。さて、最後は肩を救出した方法。
How smart can you be?
協力者を使った。そう、我が輩である。ポー君が書いた小説を携帯画面に。
I thought about it. It looked like his ability, but I was confused as to why. Okay.
安全な小説世界に避難させた。そんな感じで、みんな社長の指示を待ってるよ。
ならば指示を出す。この事件をぶち壊せ。
国連は今回の件のためだけに対テロ共同機関を創設。
Right, and you want to talk about stupid
私気づいたんです。
rich people affairs?
探偵者について報道されてるのに報じてない謎があるんすよ。それをこの凶悪犯たちから聞き出して報道。それこそが私たち分野の本会ってもんじゃ。
They're all here.
ねえ、こういうのってお茶出ないの？だろうけど、こうなった。そして救助に行った探偵者は逆にテロの
But
犯人に
the page.
今さら言い逃れですか？
They made it so you won't be believed, right?
証拠ならある。これだ。それを資料にまとめた。
なんで未開封のまま捨ててやる。
ページの力のせいで誰も探偵者の無実を信じなくなってる。
ページ？
ページとは現実改変能力を持つ特殊な
But what's the point of saying it? They won't believe you.
Right?
全て真実となる。僕はもう行くが、これを見ている警察関係者に言いたい。立場や職業で考えるな。己の魂で考えろ。考えろ。この名探偵がテロの犯人だとしたら、今こんな風に指名手配されるような初歩的なヘマをすると思うか？自分の目で見ろ。そうすればわかるはずだ。名探偵になるのは本当は簡単だってことが。
Will that work? I'm confused. That was episode 1. Rampo seems to be the secret weapon against Fyodor here. So long as Dazai is watching over him. He managed to rescue the entirety of the, at least most of the agency. And he's trying to convince people that the agency are not terrorists. He wants them to think, to overcome the power of the page. But I don't know if that's possible, because the page is supposed to be rewriting reality. So I suppose we'll see that in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.